When you scroll through your data, have you ever wanted to keep a certain row or column in view? Here, I will show you how to freeze rows or columns so they are always visible. Follow these steps to freeze only the top row in your sheet. First, go to View tab. Click on the Freeze Pane option found in the Windows section of the ribbon. Choose the Freeze Top Row option from the menu, or you can use the shortcut which is Alt-W-F-R. This will freeze only the top row, and when you scroll down, row 1 stays fixed. An indication of a frozen row can be seen visually. Under the first row, you will see a darker gray line. You can freeze more than one row to the top. Follow these steps. Select a cell in the first column directly below the row you want to freeze. So if you want to freeze top 3 rows, select A4. Now go to View tab, click on Freeze Pane in the Windows section, then click on Freeze Pane. Or you can use a shortcut which is Alt-W-F-F. So in this example, cell A4 is selected, which means row 1, 2, 3 will be frozen in the place. Follow these steps to freeze the first column in your sheet. First, go to View tab, then click on Freeze Pane, then click on Freeze First Column. Now the first column is rows, or you can use a shortcut to freeze the first column. Press Alt-W-F-C. Now the first column is frozen. This will result in column A getting locked in the view while you scroll to the right of the sheet. You can also freeze multiple columns at the left of the sheet. Follow these steps to freeze more than one column from the left. First, select a cell in the first row left of the column you want to freeze. So if you want to freeze first 3 columns, select D1 and then go to Views tab, then click on Freeze Pane, then again click on Freeze Pane. Now first 3 columns are frozen. You can also use a shortcut of Alt-W-F-F to do the same. While scrolling, you will often want to freeze rows and columns, and the Freeze Pane option will let you freeze columns and rows based on where the active cell is. Follow these steps to freeze rows and columns. So select a cell in the column directly below the row and the right adjacent to the columm you want to freeze. So if you want to freeze first row and first column, select B2 cell, and if you want to freeze first 3 rows and first 2 columns, select C4 cell, and then go to View tab, then click on Freeze Pane, and then click on Freeze Pane again. Now first 3 rows and first 2 columns are frozen, or you can use a shortcut of Alt-W-F-F to do the same. And in this example, cell C4 is selected, which means row 1 to 3 and column A to B will be frozen and stay anchored at the top and to the left of the sheet. And please note, while using the Freeze Pane shortcut, remember to select the cell directly below and to the right of the row and the column you want to freeze. Excel table objectives have many advantages, one of which is that column heading will automatically remain at the top of the page whenever the table is selected. So if I insert a table, first I go to Insert and select Table and press OK. When I scroll down, the first row will act as a header. I can also use a shortcut of Ctrl T to make the same table. A similar Excel feature to Freeze Pane will always display the top row and the rightmost column. You can split the sheet into 4 scrollable areas and follow these steps to use this feature. Select the cell, go to View tab, click on Split. And as a result, the top row and the first column will be separated from the rest of the sheet by a thickened gray bar, and it's easy to spot the top row and the first column when you scroll your cursor to a lower quadrant. Using the split feature instead of Freeze Pane, you can adjust the number of columns you see. A 4-way array appears when you hover over the split panes. To change the number of columns and rows, click and drag the split panes. The Magic Freeze button is a shortcut to freeze the row and column with a single click. To add the Magic Freeze shortcut to the Quick Access toolbar, follow these steps. Click on the down arrow on the Quick Access toolbar, click on More Commands and select All Commands and find Freeze Pane. Click Add and press OK. To freeze the top row, select row 2 and click on Magic Freeze button. Similarly, you can click on B2 cell to freeze row 1 and column A and scroll down to the rest of the sheet. The freeze pane feature is easy to use on a single sheet. However, if you have bunch of similar sheets, freezing the top row and the first column can be a hassle. You need to select each sheet and then select a cell, then turn on freeze pane. And the number of clicks is quite high. VBA can definitely automate this. To use the VBA option, first go to Developers tab, click on Visual Basic option to open the Visual Basic editor, then go to Insert and select Module. Then write down this VBA code to automate freeze pane in your sheet. So if I run this, it will freeze first row and the first column in all sheets. So if you want to save some precious hours and don't want to write this VBA code, you can download our premium VBA library where we update bunch of macros frequently. You can sign up now and save your time. And if you want to be more productive in your professional life, follow this channel for more videos like this and watch this video to learn more about Microsoft Excel.